Hey there! Today I want to help you get started with a step-by-step plain English way to customize your toolbar in CATIA Cameo Systems Modeler. Think of toolbars as your quick access tool belt. They're designed to save you time by keeping your most frequently used commands just a click away. Customizing your workspace in CATIA Cameo Systems Modeler can help you work faster by putting your most frequently used tools right where you need them. You can add new buttons to existing menus, remove tools you never use, or even build a brand new customized toolbar from scratch. Here's a step-by-step guide to customizing your toolbars. Before you can make any changes, you need to open the Customized Toolbars window. You can do this in one of two ways. Look at the main menu bar at the very top of your screen and click on View. Hover your mouse over Main Toolbars or Diagram Toolbars, depending on what you want to change. Click on Customize at the bottom of the list. You can also simply right-click anywhere on the blank gray toolbar area at the top of the software window and select Customize from the shortcut menu. To add a new button to a toolbar, open the Customize Toolbars window using the previous steps. In the main list, click on the specific toolbar you want to modify. For example, select the File toolbar. Next, click the Add button located on the right side of the window, then select Button. An Add button window will pop up. Browse through the folders to find the specific command you want to add. In my example, we'll select New Project. Now click on your desired command and click OK. The new button will now appear in your selected toolbar. Now, what if you want to create a new toolbar? First, open the Customize Toolbars window. Click on the main group where you'll want your new toolbar to live, such as the main toolbars group. Now, click the Add button on the right side and select New Toolbar. A text box will appear asking you to enter a name for your new toolbar. Type it in and click OK. Your new toolbar will probably be completely empty. You'll need to add a new button. Now, if you want to remove a button or toolbar, open the Customize Toolbars window. Now find and click the specific button or the custom toolbar you want to get rid of. Click the Remove button on the right side of the window. The item will immediately be deleted from your workspace. Here's a bonus pro tip on restoring default settings. If you make a mistake, remove something important, or just want to start over from scratch, it's really easy to fix. First, open the Customize Toolbars window up. Now, look near the bottom right corner of the window and click the Reset to Defaults button. This will wipe away all your customizations and restore the toolbars exactly as they were when you first installed the software. All right, congrats on customizing that toolbar. Hope this video helped and look forward to seeing you in the next one.